Hello, our lovely viewers. This is Emmanuel Vandera from WIF Company. Welcome back here to one of our last episodes, trying to demonstrate to you how to use the Kakasa platform, what we call the Kakasa EFRIS, to integrate your accounting system, which is Quickbooks Online, and generate e-transactions to URA. In this session, I'll be taking you briefly how to verify your products. You realize you might call us to integrate you, and by the time we come, we find when you have some items in stock and we don't have them. So after integration, now I'm going to the videos we have recorded. They show you one way how to register an item from QuickBooks to EFRIS. Now, if at all you already have items registered at EFRIS, what do you need to do? So I'll come to EFRIS. I'm going to create an item. I'm going to come to EFRIS and click on add product under goods and services. I want to create a product on EFRIS. I will choose browse. Then I will just choose any of these. Let me choose dog. Click on save. I'll just add dog and copy the same here. And into a measure, I'm going to set PP. GX price, I'm going to set 5,000. Stock, low stock, I'm going to set 2 and click on submit. So after creating that item, I may even edit the name to be different. Dog. So I'm going to call this dogs and submit. So what do I need to do to have this item and the Kakasa flag does registered? The same way we have others which have come from QuickBooks. What I will do, one, I'll have to go to QuickBooks, the first step, and create this product there. I'll come to new, then I click on add product. I'll choose the stockable. Item name, I may call it dogs. I may call it dog, I may call it dogs. Doesn't matter. What matters is the item code. Make sure this matches what is at URA. I can call this dogs 1. Then make sure this matches. I will enter the current stock, probably 2, quantity at hand, or 20. Specify the date. Stock pre-warning maybe 2. Selling price maybe 70. And can click on save and close. So when I come to goods and services and refresh this page, I should be able to see dogs. It is here. If I happen to try to register this, it will not go because this product already exists at URA. Or probably let's try to go through the process of registration once more. But all items which are registered at URA, just make sure the item code here in QuickBooks, it is called the SKU. In QuickBooks, it is called the SKU, item code or service code. On URA, it is called my product code. This. Make sure they are matching. So once they are matching, I'll just click on verify with EFRIS. I give it a moment, it will go through all my items and try to check one by one if it exists at URA and have them merged such that you can invoice. And now we have our dog flagged as registered. So now I'm able to go ahead and generate transactions, add stock and so on using dog. This has been how to verify already existing items in URA and Kakasa such that you can be able to invoice. Thank you for watching.